Do you have a piece of furniture that's just kind of like sitting around your house and, it's like fine, like it's not like special, and you want to transform it into something like that looks expensive? Okay, I have the best trick, and it is using Duck brand Easy Liner marble liner to transform an end table. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform an end table to make it look like the top is marble, which just elevates the look so much.
Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families just like you with practical organizing, decorating, and DIY tips.
Okay, what you're going to need is you're going to need the Duck brand Easy Liner with the marble finish and an end table along with scissors. Okay, so how I do this is I lay out the Easy Liner first and then I place the table on top. I will use a pencil to draw around the Easy Liner so that I know where to cut, and then I cut around my pencil mark that I made. Then I will remove just a small piece of the Easy Liner, and then I'm going to put it on one side of my end table. As I pull it away, I'm going to slowly pull the backing off while I smooth the front onto my end table. I also have it's like a scraper that you would use on a cast iron skillet, or if you have like a cutting machine, it comes with one of those. I'm using that to kind of like smooth out any bumps or lumps. Once you're done, just cut off any excess that you have. And boom, you have a table that looks much more expensive than it was if you just, bought it from IKEA like we did. I love how budget friendly this transformation can be. It is so easy to take on a piece of furniture and give it a whole new look simply by adding Easy Liner. All products are linked below, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and you are ready to transform an area in your house. Okay, I'm going to be transforming one of our IKEA tables. Now, it's fine, but it doesn't totally go with our decor. So we're going to upcycle it by using Duck brand Easy Liner, and this is the marble finish. I love this marble finish because it really does look like marble. So I transformed a tray using this to really make it look upscale and super functional because Easy Liner is like really easy to wipe off. So I thought we would transform this with a marble top. So I'm going to show you how you can do the same to any table or end table or coffee table or really any smooth top item in your home. Okay, for this project, you're going to need your Easy Liner. I'm using the marble finish and a scissors. So first thing I'm going to do is lay this out. Now this is not long enough to cover the whole thing with one piece. So I'm going to have to use two pieces. So we're going to lay it out. And then I'm going to use the fold to get an idea of where we're going to cut. Then I'm going to use the back side, like right where I folded it, which is right here, and it's right on a line, which makes it easy. So I have a few cutting tutorials on how you can cut your Easy Liner if, cutting on the line isn't for you. It's not for everyone. In fact, this was not that straight, I'm going to be honest, but I made it a little longer because I think it's easier to cut around the edges once it's on versus, doing it a different way. Okay. Now I have my Easy Liner. So lay it out. And I'm going to need like a smoothing tool, or you can just use your hand. It is whatever works for you and getting everything smooth for you. So I'm going to start by taking off just the top portion of the backing. And the reason why is if you take everything off and it like crumples all up into itself, then it's really hard to uncrumple it. plus it gets all crumply. Like, who wants that? Okay, here we go. So I took off just like a little bit. And then, okay, I'm going to do it this way just because this is the way I'm facing. So you're going to line it up to the top edge. Here we go. Line it up. There we go. Make sure you get all of the air bubbles out before you move on any further. And we're going to slowly move. So you take some from underneath and then you smooth. Now we might be getting some air bubbles, so you just slowly lift it up to get those bubbles out and smooth it down. And you're going to keep doing this process until you get the entire top covered. Then I'm going to show you how we like put it on over the top again, because we have like a small edge. There we go. Okay. And smooth that down. Look at that, it looks like a marble top. Isn't that crazy? Okay, I'm going to trim a little bit of this just because I didn't cut straight. There we go. There. All right. Look at that. Okay, so we have one side finished. Now I'm going to do the same thing on, exact same thing that I just did over here to get this little small piece. Now there are a couple ways you can do it. If you are fine cutting, you can cut that one little side. For me, I am not that great at cutting. So I am just going to lay it over the top. And you can kind of see like where the marble kind of matches up. There we go. Do it this way. Here we go. Like you can see kind of like where that marble piece is, and then just line it up that way so that it just looks like it's extending the marble on the top. All right, and then you're going to mark it, it's like right here. Okay, that is on this line. Now we're going to do the exact same thing we did on to cover this edge. I'm going to peel off some of the backing. Okay, I'm going to turn this so that it's easier for me to put the backing on. We did it. I love how easy that was to transform. So now we can set it back and then add some fun decor to it. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.